Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So my motto of uploading this video today is all about how you can basically do the practice of English language. So because I've seen multiple videos where like people said and comment that they don't have any kind of partner, and because of that they are not able to improve. First excuse is this, and the second one is they cannot afford basically to speak English. And because the lot of people doesn't have so much money so that they can allow one tutor some sort of things. So yeah, there is multiple excuses, but I'm not going to talk about excuses because I've never done that. I just focus on taking actions, and that is what I'm going to do in this video. I'll say you five practice things which you can do basically, and so you can watch this video till the end, and you can also start implementing from today onwards, because I try to inspire people by doing things which can basically give the impactful result. And so by that only I basically work, and so that is what I basically give to any other person as well. So practical things always work, and so theory is not work nowadays. And so my first point is just basically talk to persons who are native English speaker. But I have also done that from beginning of my videos. I'll show you. I have talked with foreigners via this so-called app Scout. In that you will get multiple foreigner who doesn't have some sort of so much English speaking. They basically don't have like so much kind of English, so they are also from Spanish or some sort of country where speaking English speaking is second language. So basically they also want to learn, but you need to find out them. By Scout application you can search that. And the second one is basically to recording yourself as I'm doing this, right? So this is also effective way. And if you talk about third option is if you are very hesitated towards just speaking on the camera. Basically you can do uh, one thing which is just record your audio every day since from today onwards, and just listen every whenever you got time. And so your audio basically, so that will also build a huge confidence. Third tip is this, like record yourself. And the fourth one is just try to basically try to listen songs in English, because that is also a very great way, because that is how you can basically learn the lyrics, and that is how your brains works basically. So try to listen song and repeat that one. So that is very actually a good way. Lot of English speakers recommended that. That is the fourth one. And the fifth one is just try to imitate news anchors. That is also a great way. I try sometimes, but that is too much difficult. But started from the beginning, like started from the scratch. Just slow down the video basically whenever the video starts, just slow down their speed and try to copy that. So this is also a great way. And so basically these are all the things which I have done in my speaking journey of English language. So if somebody want to do and is that much of dedicated, so he can basically actually learn it without giving excuses, because excuses doesn't make you anything. Just you can tell that, but at the end what matters is results. So these are the five things which I want to basically give people who are beginner, and because I have implemented in myself as well and I got the result basically. So on this note, I'm completing this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.